Welcome back to Grateful Glide. This is where riding becomes a pathway to your peace. You ever notice how the first turn on a ride feels the most awkward? Pulling out of the driveway, easing onto the road, your body is still waking up, your mind is still adjusting, and nothing feels locked in yet. But here's something that I've learned. The first turn is a reminder to be grateful. Grateful for motion, grateful for breath, grateful for the chance to move forward, even when everything in you feels a little unsure. Because peace doesn't show up when everything is perfect. Peace grows when you learn to be grateful right where you are. On a motorcycle, you don't wait for the world to make sense. You turn the key or you press the ignition button. You listen to the engine settle, you take a breath, and you say, thank you for another chance to ride. Then you move. And the truth is, gratitude is what makes peace possible, right? Gratitude is what makes peace possible. Your confidence grows after you start moving, your clarity shows up once you begin, and that rhythm you've been searching for, it shows up on the other side of saying, I'm grateful for another chance just to try. And listen, nobody gets it perfect. We all wobble, we all overthink, we all hesitate. But gratitude turns small movement into meaningful movement. I'll say that again. Gratitude turns small movement into meaningful movement. So, whatever your first turn is, it can be a new beginning, a tough conversation, or a decision you've been carrying. Don't wait for everything to feel right. Just start with gratitude. Be grateful for the opportunity. Be grateful for growth. Be grateful that you're still here, you're still moving, you're still becoming who you're meant to be. Because peace meets you on the road, but gratitude is what gets you rolling. So, start grateful, start humble, and start anyway. The ride gets smoother once you are in motion. Well, that's it for today. Ride grateful, ride steady, and trust the one who guides your path.